Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to concatenate items in Python. If you'd like to watch the previous tutorials first, you'll find the link up here. Okay, let's get going. To concatenate is just another way of saying putting two or more items together. First, go to a browser and look for Brython. Brython.info. This is the online Python editor we'll be using for this tutorial. And go to editor, and we can delete this because we don't need it. Okay, first I'm going to make a couple of variables. Let's say greeting equals, don't forget the quotation marks, and inside I'll say hello, just like that. And I'll make another variable and I'll call this one name. Fluffy, it's a cat, yay! And let's print something. Inside the print function, I will start with greeting. Greeting followed by plus sign. You can see that we just printed out two items in a single print command. But it looks like it squished everything into one word. There's no spacing in between. I actually wanted it to look something like this. Hello, comma, space, fluffy. This is what I actually wanted to print out. If you like an extra challenge, you can pause the video at this point and try to figure out how to print this out. Hello, comma, space, fluffy. You can Google it, you can ask someone. I should probably point out that there's more than one way to achieve the same thing. So pause the video now. When you're back, I'll show you a couple of answers. Okay, how did it go? I'll show you the first answer. This is probably the easiest way to do this. What I would do is, I would just edit one of the variables. Let's say I would go inside the first variable and I would just add a comma and a space. Just like that. And if I run this program, yep, there you go. We have hello, comma, space, fluffy. Okay, I'll show you another way to do this. I'll go back to the variable and put it back to normal. Okay, and I'll delete the console as well. This time what I'll do is I'll leave these variables alone, and instead I'm going to insert one more item in the print function. I will insert a plus sign, and in between I will insert strings. I will say comma and a space. Like that. Okay, this should return the same result. Okay, it's looking good. Thank you for watching. I hope this was useful. If you'd like to continue with this Python tutorial, you can keep watching here. If you're interested in HTML and CSS, you can watch my other tutorials down here. If you'd like to do more practice with Python, you can also take my Udemy course. You'll find the link to the course in the description text below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.